Oh my god. Look how dirty my room is. Look how dirty my room is. What do you think I should do? Look in the files. I have files, and that's like one right there. You can visually put the files from shoe, baggie, these are pencils, pens, and the binder. 3 crates full of paper. Paper splattered on the floor. I keep brand new trash cans. Trash is not trash. Trash cans on the floor. And trash inside it. And that's everything. One over. And this fish should be more over there. I'm not gonna buy one. What is that? Not the shame of closet. More shoes, a bag and a backpack. A purse, like a purse thing in the backpack. I want to put this. Guess what? I have 2 preemies right there. And a baby. And a baby. I put the 2 babies in the box. Hello. Where 2 guineas? Where are you? You see the keys poking up? Hey, baby. We have to build a name for you. Yeah. Yeah. So I care. And so I care. You too. 4 of them I already birthed. 2 are preemies. The 2 preemies won't come missing like I throw them away. And then my husband said he knows how to get me pregnant with them. And I don't understand how to do it. I just don't understand how to gestation him. Within his chest. And then so twice very weakly. And 3rd time very weakly. 3 times with weight as heck. Because the babies are like more tender about memory. There, in that point, yeah. So that's that. She made porcelain pottery. She made a cartoon porcelain pottery. This one made a sketch porcelain pottery. Sketch cartoon porcelain pottery. Paint cartoon porcelain pottery. Paint a woman at least. Sketch of a woman. This one made a cupcake. It's a cupcake bear. This one is a snow cake bear. And those 2 are kittens. Dungeons Dragons. Like, I don't know what they are yet, because I can't really see them very well. Oh, there were the 2 kittens right there. Yes, they were. Oh, you go fuckhead. I hate you, Dad. Hold on, I love you, Dad. Yeah. Everybody doesn't know the secret of who which one true love is. Oh, you hit the first person I ever met. Yeah. Well, that's the babies in the room. I keep them in the room. My Hanford mother used to see them a lot. What's it called? My mom, what is, she's the father's, she's my mother's daughter, actually. Right? No, she's my, oh, I know she is. She's the father's, she's the niece. Because every time I was speaking to Jessica Proctor, yeah, I'd be speaking to the future. Yes, you were. So when you were speaking to Christian, you were speaking to the future. Oh, okay. Okay, you know. So that, interior, I have that. But this one's also singing interior too, you know. Because her name was Terry. She was on the budget. So I was like, my hand from there. I was like, oh yeah, she's on there. And she keeps telling me to clean my room, but I just don't know what to do with all this junk. And I don't know, man. And just smell like you doesn't show you who is, you know. Just LD doesn't show you who Paige Blinsky is, or Jessica Rabbit is. Pretend you never saw me with these notebooks. Ghost. And Sean, like, I know you're gonna be on YouTube watching these videos. Okay, so pretty soon I'm going to be on YouTube issuing organization video compiled of all the notes of when I organized and when my father organized. My father likes me to organize certain ways too, to not get him not be in the way, and so I won't be in his way. And so when he's in the room, because he has a really mean room, and so he won't be in my way, of course. I don't know about that. Matter of fact, that's what I'm yelling at him to not be in the house. That's what we're talking about. The night, so I can sleep. I'm scared. I'm sorry, he's scared too. I'm all alone. We should be preparing across the room. This is my desk area. This, bam. In my desk area. And this part is not part of the bed per se. It's really the chair or the seat of the desk area. I got 4 tables and one set seat. There's a 1-4 for real. I found the seat first. And I was sitting on it. But where's the desktops? And my dad said, I don't know. There's hutches in the living room that so doesn't want to keep. And I went out there. Ooh, I want those 2 hutches. Like that, they gave them to me. And then this table came up quick in the hallway. I said, ooh, I want to keep this. Yeah, I don't need it. And then later on, like, this one way recent popped up in the hallway. And I bring it in. Well, I'll be compiling notes here on YouTube. And it's of my own organization. No automation, no records, and my father's records too, because he transfers it into my vessel. Therefore, nobody can touch my memory. I just have to pay my father away, and the girls who push my memory back to me. Oh, no, I don't pay you. Well, it's not AT&T Sprint anymore. Matter of fact, AT&T Sprint is pages and pages to write on. All his friends are on the side. His hustling at work. He ain't no side, bitch. I'm gonna let you know he's not a side bitch. Really? Yeah, he's not. He'll fight somebody with that shit. Knock him the fuck out. Well, she will let me. Huh. It's okay. I care for you. The thing is, I want to incorporate cricket. The AT&T Sprint, because AT&T Sprint pay-per-view incorporates pages, like print. Yeah, and blank with lines. Yeah, and blank with nothing on it. There's just nothing on it. Nothing, not even lines. You can't write straight lines of words. Down here, draw something, or they draw a car. Oh! They draw a car, draw a car. Wait here, black here, like this, yeah. Quick set, and then you see in the corner of your eye, and you'll start coloring it in. Girl, in one flat second, you cracked the case. I don't know who the hell was making paranoid all night when you were sitting up all night. But that night that I went and gave that $10 bill, that guy that followed you, that's who was making paranoid. No offense, Dad, but he does not need to be near her, huh? Whoa, we're gonna have the high night. Stoned. It's just me. It's me again. No, for real. I have to. Oh, and then I'm going to compensate him and then show you exactly the right way for me to organize. And I want you to take that one piece that slits to you. It'll be, matter of fact, I'm gonna have to do different variations. First, separate, and then I'm gonna do them, and then I'm gonna complete the last 3 folders, or 3 something, or 1, depending, or 4, depending, or 2 if it's physical, of like pregnancy or family, STDs in the past, clinical. So it's 1 to 4, or should it be 5? Never 5, never 5, never 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 crates. Yes, you do. The crates are really low on 4. Really? Yeah. Damn. So yeah, I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna complete these 2 crates as one entire sector. These 2 crates as one entire sector. This table as one sector. That hutch is one sector. That hutch is one sector. You see how one hutch leans taller? Yeah, it's not the floor. It's a hutch. And that table is one sector. The under table is with that table. But yet, I have to pause. And in this corner over here, you can have that taken out from there. That little bassinet thing for pages and pages of gnomes that's inside of them that clogs my memory. Well, just look for be looking out for the next video. I'll have one video out every other week. So this is the last Thursday chance. Yes, that's right. So it's the first Thursday and the third Thursday. Every first Thursday and every third Thursday, YouTube, you will find an organization or desk or office or work related in paperwork or program or programmer computer, program page, program paper. The paper needs to be programmed. Do you guys know that? Computer, the only thing you program, my brain needs to program. And also, you'll find them on here every first Thursday and every third Thursday. So see you soon. Love, love. Love as much as you can. To the amores, to the more of you. I know it's that one man clogged in your eye. In your eyes, no, I'm just playing. In my eyes, only one man. Well, talk to you later. Bye bye.